Hey guys, Room Picker here for another lock picking video. Today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is N2 from NOTL, and he made his challenge lock out of a Nixus mortise cylinder. We can see that the key does work. If you go this way though, it's caught, so you got to go 360. But the reason why we don't have a mummified key is this one violates max. You can see the bitting on there right there, and he made his lock that has a label, focus, 26-2020 NOTL 2. So let's see if we can get this open today. We're gonna use 50 thousandths with this bottom of the keyway to tension off of, or pry off of, and we're gonna use our hook 7. So let's zoom in. That should be, oh, there we go. That should be good. I got a new camera angle, so bear with me for a second. So we're gonna see if we can get this open today. False set right there. Get a little bit deeper false set. Don't drop it. Let's see, check that back pin. Oh, is that it? I can't tell. Setting or slipping, I can't tell. I don't think that was the back pin. Oops. Come on. There we go. I don't know what's holding me up. There we go, I like that. There we go. Okay, we are picked. Zoom out. Hopefully it's still in frame. Like I said, I'm working with this new camera angle. You can see we are picked. Focus, there we go. So let's go ahead and gut this thing. Let's put these away. Move this camera angle down just a little bit so I have room to work. Take the screw off the back. And this back plate. One thing I didn't mention is that it has all this electrical tape on the back of it. I'm not sure what the purpose of that for is, but it is a thing that it is. Let's get our shim out. We got our follower. So we got a true zero lift on pin 4. Pin 4 is a true zero lift. Threaded chambers. Interesting. So it's a zero lift only with a master wafer though. That's interesting. So you have a little bit of grace, but not much when it comes to that. So chambers 1, 2, 3, and 5 are threaded. Chamber 4 looks like it's been ground into the side here with a drill bit. Let's take a look at our driver pins. Ooh, that's a nice looking driver pin. And spring, there we go. There's some nice looking pins. You did a good job, NOTL. I really like these pins actually. Surprised with the way these pins are that didn't put up more of a fight. Ooh, careful. Okay, so let's just organize this just a second. You notice I have a different pinning tray. This one was given to me from SAS Pez as a present. No mods to the Bible. So let's go ahead and bring you guys over here. You can see this beautiful pin work. Look at these crazy looking driver pins. I am super impressed with those. And let's not forget our key. There's our key and the core right there. Sorry, I'm getting used to this pinning tray. So here you can see we have our threaded chambers. There we go, that's a good angle. There's our key. Those are our key pins. You can see that master wafer there. And there's the Bible. No mods done to that. But this is N2 from NOTL. Very fun challenge lock. Not as tough as what the key looks like. But still fun. Great job, and hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.